Welcome, here I've got LG Wing and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down to the useful features, and here we have the add watermark option, so let's tap on it. And we can add the signature watermark and also shot on LG Wing. So let me start with signature. Here we can add our own watermark. For example, let me write here hard reset. We can also decide how it looks like by picking a font. So this is really cool option, and as you can see we have short preview here in the right corner at the bottom. And add it. Now let me stay on this one. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture to see how this watermark looks like at the real one. To see the photo, let's move to the left to this button to open the quick access to the gallery, and this is our photo with the watermark in the right corner at the bottom. So this is the custom one. Now let's move again to the left corner in the camera. Let's slide down to the useful features, pick add the watermark and shot on LG Wing. Let's go back and take another picture. Let's move again to the gallery to the left, and now in the right corner at the bottom we have the device watermark, so shot on LG Wing. And this is how it looks like. Of course, when we don't need this, we can easily go back to the camera, then to the left corner, slide again and turn it off here. So for now, when we take another photo, the watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.